Hi, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto, and today I'm not going to talk about crypto. Well, I might do a little bit at the end. We'll have a quick look at Bitcoin. But today I want to talk about Greatland.com.au. This is a company, an Australian, it's a kind of UK Australian company who are gold and copper producers. This was brought to my attention by one of our viewers and a guy who's regularly on our live streams every day, almost Scotty Charisma, I think he calls himself on X, and he alerted me to this stock. In the UK, you can trade it on the London Stock Exchange. I do that on Trading 212, which is the ticker GGP. And there's also this ASX, I assume that's some sort of Australian one. So current price it's given here as of today at 9.48, that was a few hours ago, £5.54. Okay, let's take a look at that on TradingView. Okay, so this is Greatland Resources Limited on the 4-hour chart, looking at the London Stock Exchange. I did draw this trend line in earlier on. I mean, it's not perfect, but we have got touches there, and there. Obviously, it dipped below here last summer. Now, it's quite a volatile stock, and it's been as high as about £8. At the moment it's down at like 5.54. So what I'm wondering now is, was that a bottom just there last week? Okay, so let's just get rid of that trend line for the moment because I don't really use them, and put on our indicator, which is called Quadzilla. If you don't know what that is, please go to savewithcrypto.org/QZ. There is actually a way how you can try it out for nothing as well, which I'll talk about at the end of the video as well. Now, what Quadzilla does, it does various things in this upper pane, including these retracement levels here, which very often get completed, as you can see, and it also adds this momentum oscillator down here, which has some extra features to help you visualize what's going on. Now, what we've got at the moment is these red triangles appearing here. This is what we call the trend shield. What that means, it means that the asset is actually very oversold. It's looking like it should reverse, but it's still going down. And when these trend shields stop appearing, you normally see the price go up. Now, they have been there for a week or so now, and they are fading. And if you look back in the past, for example here, when they stopped appearing, the price went up very nicely. In fact, here back in 2025, the price went up like 30-odd%. And here back in 2024, the price went up about 48-50%. Now, of course, being a traditional stock, these things always need some sort of catalyst to make them go on their way. Now, what there was this morning, very early in the morning, I think that was kind of like 1:30 in the UK, there was a webcast about the June quarter 2026. It was like an investor call. I can only assume that whatever happened, and I don't know how to get a recording or anything of that call, I can only assume that it was good because the price seemed to have gone up quite nicely in this current 4-hour candle. In fact, it went up about £10 this morning. It's currently up about 5. And it's probably worth looking at this on other time frames as well. Let's look at the 12-hour. So the 12-hour's actually got one of our super up signals there. I bet they don't happen often. No, last one was here in August 2025 when the price was down at about £2.40, and before that September 2024 when the price was around about £1. Not financial advice, but I would suspect that is probably near a bottom. Now, of course, it could come down to retrace these retracement levels down here at £3.10 and £1.40. But I suppose, in fact, what we could see is something like what happened here, where we get a short pump before it continues going down. But even that would be something like 17%. Just a thought anyway. I am quite interested in getting some of this. And you can see the upper targets would be something like 628 or 735. That's what I'm doing. Anyway, let's have a quick look at Bitcoin before I go. By the way, I probably won't do a live stream today, but you've got this video instead, and I'll do a live stream with maff tomorrow and Friday. Okay, so Bitcoin USD, this is looking at it on the ByBit perpetual contract chart. It's looking pretty good, isn't it? We obviously came down to like 57.6k in early July, and we've come up rather nicely since then. If we put on our indicator Quadzilla, just as an example, you know, we had that trend shield down here as well, which stopped appearing there early June, and the price shot up rather beautifully from there, about 9%. Since then we got this green bar here as the convergence band went super low there around about the start of July, and we've had a beautiful run up from there, up about 13%. We're currently getting a slight pullback today, but overall we've got this cross of this yellow 21 EMA and this green 55 EMA. That cross happened on the 15th of July, and it's been up since. So if we go down to something like the 12-minute time frame, just to get an idea of what's going on right now, you can see that we kind of double topped yesterday, and we're pulling back a little bit. We might come down to this retracement level down here at 64.3. I don't think we will though. I think this is looking quite bullish overall, and I think the price will go up. Now what I really want to see is on the daily time frame. I really want to see that cross of the 21 and 55 EMAs. I think that's a few days off now. Don't think we'll see that until maybe next week, and if so, we could get a reasonable run up to that level there, up at 76.8. Now if you want to use Quadzilla, you can either go to savewith.crypto.org/QZ and sign up there. If you want to try it for free, we've got a campaign at the moment on Bitunix. So you need to sign up with our link, which is savewithcrypto.org/Bitunix, and then go to Promotions, Campaign Center, and sign up for this one here. Okay, it's called Deposit to get 20% bonus, Trade to win $10,000. And you need to click Join Now. Okay, it's very important you do. And if, like me, you deposit $100 in there, you will get automatically a VIP 3 trial pass. And what we've agreed between me and maff is that if you fund your account with $500 of something, come over to the Discord, which is savewithcrypto.org/Discord, and then once you're there, DM either me or maff and just say, "Hi, I'm here, can I have Quadzilla?" and we'll sort you out a month trial of Quadzilla. Alright, does that sound good? Okay. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon. Be back on a live stream tomorrow, so trade safe and take care, and ciao. Please note that this content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not financial advice. Any information or opinions provided are not guaranteed to be accurate or complete. Always conduct your own research before making any financial decisions. A full legal disclaimer is in the description of each video and live stream.